This image was generated using AI, in just a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to use DiffusionBee, a free AI tool, to generate images from text step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download DiffusionBee. It's completely free and works offline on Mac OS. Head over to diffusionbee.com, click the download button, and install it like any other app. Simple, right? Now, let's open DiffusionBee. Here, you'll see different AI models available. The default model is Stable Diffusion 1.5, but you can also try Stable Diffusion XL for more detailed images. Choose the model that works best for you. Let's generate an image. Simply type a prompt, something like a futuristic city at sunset, and click Generate Image. In a few seconds, the AI will create a unique image based on your description. You can fine-tune your results using different settings. Sampling steps control the quality, higher steps give better results but take longer. The seed number helps you recreate the same image. And resolution lets you choose the image size. Play around with these settings to get your perfect image. Now, let's make our image sharper. DiffusionBee has a built-in upscaling feature. Click Upscale Image, and the AI will enhance details and resolution. Perfect for making high-quality artwork. And there you have it. From text to AI-generated art in just minutes. DiffusionBee is a powerful tool for anyone interested in AI creativity. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI content. See you in the next one.